Romero Ramírez Wendy, Bernal Navarturo, Cervantes Ábalos Mauricio, Duarte Ambrosio Belén, García Bastida Miguel Ángel, Hernández Altamirano Daniel Arturo, Hernández Cisneros Leslie Dorali, Nava Hernández Amy Edith. Bueno, presentaremos lo que es Market Research de la carrera de Administración y Gestión Empresarial en la Escuela Universidad Politécnica Dotzolo.
Business process modeling is a typical performed by business analysts who provide expertise in the modeling displayed by subject matter experts who have specialized knowledge of the process being modeled, or more completely by a team comprising both. It enables a deeper understanding of testing and result setting a solid start for process optimization, making it possible and easier to see obstacles and inefficient points. Sales versus development. Business development works to produce long-term growth and probability using three primary activities. They consist of but are not necessarily limited to establishing business in new markets, generating significant partnership, and improving the current customer base. The sales development is the formalization of how a sales team influences customers with their services and products. This includes ensuring the method used to contact prospective clients or customers is effective and cost efficient for producing long-term or customers. I can't be say that sales is one of the points that business development must address, but it is not all that development encompasses.
Hi, my name is Miguel. I'm talking about the market process, or also now marketing process. The problems in the process of the marketing is very common after you have interviewed potential users of your product and reviews the results. The next step is to understand their common problems. The market problems are your target markets staying or the silence problem. They call referring to existing inefficient new workflow of the optional solution. The key to fielding of market problem is the listen to frustration, or if only the stem there during the interview. Companies and other organizations use market research to manage these risks associated with offering new products and services. The organization don't want to spend too much money developing a product line to research indicator will be useful. This point is very important in the research. For survey design and surveys nerfed, the problems of surveys bias and use with observation research. The step in market research is one of the more complex steps because it contains several distinct components. The process that are involved in identifying and obtaining a sample are known collectively as the sample plan, determining a sample frame, establish a sample size, choose a sample procedure, get practice consent. In this part, choosing the right primitive research method, we have two methods, quantitative and qualitative research. The method of more common is the interview of the people. Another typical qualitative method include behavioral observation, in-depth interviews, focus groups, and social listening. Each of these methods is described below. Data collection strategies are closely tied to the tips of the research that is being concluded. It's depending on how we want to save to the information, whether it be on the electronic medium, on physical debates, or higher digital servers. Analysis the information. Marketing analysis is a study of the dynamic of the market. It is attractives of the special market in specific industry. Marketing analysis is basically business plan that present information recording the market in which you are opening in. The dimension of the analysis. These dimensions include market insights, growth rates of the market, market trends, market profitability, case useful factors, distribution channels, industry cost structure. Presentation of the findings. There are numbers of the questions that market research should ask before write a report or critique presentation to show research findings. These questions should be asked and answered every time there are items to report or dismissed. Many of the questions are the same consideration to a speaker automatically applied to the oral communication when they are in a face-to-face. The main difference is the instant of the behavioral actuality in the receptor of the research findings communication.
Important. Reason 1. Not getting the right information to perfect receipt of disaster. We can only invite information that may not be true. We transmit the wrong message. We want to know the opportunities and advantages of the topic. Reason 2. The current situation is extremely dynamic and competitive. We have many means to search information from everything and everywhere. Like can't be pretext to keep limited information and doubts about the subject. Reason 3. Always use all information available. Just as we have a lot of information and we can use it for our development, the competition can also use it, and that would be great drop points. That is why it is necessary exploit our resources to the maximum.
We need a good marketing information system. But what is that? Marketing information system consists of people, equipment, and procedures to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute needed, timely, and accurate information to decision makers. Kotler. So I understand this as a procedure for making good decisions, taking into account the necessary and timely information for the realization of the same.
My name is Mauricio Cervantes Ábalos, and I'm going to talk about something very important when we have a company. And this is where is the marketing information system within a company or an organization. And for small companies, there is no formal department for medium companies. Yes, there is marketing department. And for large companies, yes, we have strategy and marketing plus headquarters. But when we want to know something about, I don't know, our classmates or customers, we have to do something very important. This marketing information system. But how does it work, or how does it works within a company? And we have different stages. For first stages, we have information sources, and we start getting market research studying internal data sources and external data sources. And this is the main stage, information resources. Then we have second stage, because that they are questions are answers. It is so important because database that we just got from market research, we have got a database, and that database create a decision support system, and the decision support system makes questions to the marketing models, and the marketing models must answer these questions. And obviously the marketing models makes stronger, and it also has information processing specialistic, and this is important too for databases. For the next stage, we have decision marker. Decision marker is so important because it is the decisions from manager. Manager has to make decisions. But how managers makes decisions? It is so important. This is the main objective of marketing models, because we will be able to add new information to databases, and this is so important. Because a manager or employees can see the development of their work, the performance of the manager. And this is so important, obviously. A marketing manager decisions are connected with information processing specialistic. And then we have the last stage. The last stage is results. They are outcomes. The results are so important. And that's why results or outcomes are related, are connected to database, because it can provide us feedback. We can recognize some problems that we maybe are making while we are planning, while we are working. And this is so important. So important. And as you can see, we have all the system. First, we have information sources. It is the first stage. We have questions and answers where we can add new information. New information improve our performance. And then we have decision maker that it can provide us a feedback also. And finally, we have results that it is strongly connected to databases or inputs. And that's all.
You must be sure that you are looking for. Acquiring the knowledge that is the marketing brings many benefits since it will allow you to make more determined decisions. Also, that marketing research obtains the facts that are not available in the market information system.
In conclusion, what it will allow us to obtain the necessary information to understand the market situation. Market research will allow us to obtain the information we need and try it in the way that is really useful for our company. This aspect will be really important because an excess of information or the wrong information may be used of us, they may even be harmful. Market research can be developed internally through the internal marketing development or the personal design to carry out the task. We can hire an external company that is dedicated to this type of research. Market research development the problem objectives. It may be an exploratory investigation and descriptive investigation. Causal investigation. We will establish the research plan. We will carry out the data collection, the analysis of the same, and the report. The advantage is the type of data is that they is already available and we can access this data immediately, so they can help us better understand the problem. As a disadvantage, we must bear in mind this date where the collection for the that we carry out.